So some last, I guess, thoughts on the Fantasy Makers collection. I had, I had about eight, at least eight appointments for me, my son, my daughter, and if I was near a Walmart, I would go. Um, Man, I went all over. um, so one of the things I found out was that they had a small side panel display, and my Walmart is supposedly has the big floor display and the SpongeBob, but that was never put out. It's been almost 2 months. Instead, mine had the small side panel display, which did not have the Seeing Rainbows highlighter. I was on the hunt for the orange because I'm assuming I got the pink, but it is a very like peachy type pink, so I don't know. But I had no luck. Mostly what I found in the stores were the peachy pink and the green. Um, that was all I was able to find. One store, a couple of stores took the display down and just threw them in with the regular line. And even though the internet said they had it, they had a stock, I couldn't find it, and the lady who worked cosmetics wasn't there. In a couple of places I went, and some places said that they had the stock, and nobody knows what I'm talking about. I went all over the store because sometimes you'll find it in the shoe department, in the jewelry department, in the shampoo department, but not in the makeup department. So if I had a putt, I was going everywhere. I went to the clearance because I know that mine put it on clearance within the week last time. Nothing. But also mine got the side panel display, and about 2 weeks later had gotten the floor display as well. So one floor display was like in the money department where you could do money services. It's so yeah, they did not have the orange, or didn't have the highlighter or Seeing Rainbows at all. That was the big thing I was trying to find. And I found out through Amanda from the Aesthetic Edge that they're available online. But what I found out is that, again, every state has a different thing. And since mine kept saying that my Walmart had it, it was not available to purchase online. So even if it was, it just kept showing the pink highlighter, so it wasn't really showing any other color. And then I finally last night said I'm gonna put in a Los Angeles. I'm sorry, I am still exhausted because yesterday was Memorial Day. We was out as well. So anyway, there was no way of asking what you wanted, but I just said, let me try this. I put a Los Angeles zip code, and it let me order it. There's no place to put a no. Can I please get the orange one? So I'm just gonna see what I get. If I get a repeat, I can always bring it back to the store and get my money back. My daughter's coming in July, which I'm excited about, from New York. I can always give it to her. So yeah, so let's see what comes out of that. So it also said EDCU was available to purchase online. Let's see if I get EDCU or the lemonade one, which for sure I'll get my money back if I get the lemonade one. Anyway, I did put in an order last week because the sponges became available online, and so I got it last week. You got I think one's a pop singer, pop star country singer, and the body sponge, which is called Rockstar. So I did order these, and to get the free shipping, I always get like hair stuff. I found shea butter works good on my hair, but that's another story. But anyway, I did get them, so I was excited about that. And I mean, Lord willing, we're gonna move to a bigger place. I don't know, buy a house, who knows? And I want to like display these. I don't even want to use them. And if I do wind up using them, I think I might put tissue in here of different colored tissues, so that you'll still get, be able to see the design, because they're just so cool. So yeah, like I showed you last year, if you want to see my last year's videos of Fantasy Makers, I just put in a Los Angeles zip code and it let me order it. I go to my Walmart once a week, and that was what I found. So so that's that with that.